Hello everyone, I hope that you're well. Today I wanted to show you my take on Korean kimchi fried rice. It was inspired by one time I ate at a Korean restaurant here in Vietnam, but I just made it to feed our taste, and I feel like it's super easy to make and it's such a fun way to turn simple white rice into something so much yummier. Here's a look at everything I used for this recipe, but you can just add whatever you want. I feel like the fun part in cooking these kind of dishes is just picking and choosing what you want to and adjusting the taste as you go. The most important ingredient has to be the rice, of course, and if you have made fried rice before, you know the best rice is leftover rice. I'll be using beef in this recipe, but you can replace it with anything. Chicken is great, or you could choose seafood, but whatever you choose, it's best to start by cooking it and putting it to the side once it's cooked, because we don't want to overcook it. Next, clean the pan and then oil it and cook garlic until it's fragrant. Then add in some chopped onion and stir fry until it's slightly transparent. After that, you can add the kimchi. Hopefully you can find it in your supermarket or online, or you can even make it at home if you can't find it. Kimchi is fermented vegetable that are salted and seasoned, and it's very popular side dish in Korea. Next step, you should mix in your leftover rice. Next, add in the Gochujang Paste. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right or not, but hopefully it is right. This is the super popular Korean condiment, and I think you will find it easy to buy online if you can't find it in your supermarket. It's not really needed, but it just brings your rice to the next level. It's savory, sweet, and a little spicy. If you can't get it and do want to add some extra kick to your fried rice, you could always add some chili sauce instead. After the gochujang sauce is added, add in soy sauce and stir fry it for a minute so all the flavors are well mixed together. Give it a taste and see how it may need adjusting. This recipe is really just about having fun and bringing life to rice, so you can always adjust it with more sweetness, sourness, or spice. You can really just add anything you have available to make it fit your taste. Our rice was just a little bit too sour, so we added a couple teaspoons of sugar as well as a couple teaspoons of chicken stock powder. Everything will be ready to go at this point, so you should add the beef in along with some chopped spring onions and give it one final stir. There's one more final step that I really think adds another level of the flavor and gives it such a fragrant smell too, and that is to add
a drizzle
of sesame oil and mix that into the rice. You can also add hot dogs or sausages if you have them, if you want to
bulk
it out a bit. And of course, nothing goes better with fried rice than a nice fried egg on top too. I hope you enjoy this fun and flavorful kimchi fried rice recipe. If you get a chance to make it, let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.
bye
Cheerio.